In this, I think very short video, I want to show you how to obtain a WireGuard private key from NordVPN. And NordVPN doesn't make it straightforward. It's not like with other providers where you just go and create one, or you can pull it straight from the main page and then you copy-paste it. Here with NordVPN, you have to obtain it from the NordVPN server. And the method I will show you will work on macOS and the Linux-based operating system. And if you are on Linux, you can check tools like WSL or VirtualBox, for example, that will let you run Linux on top of Windows, okay? But first, I need to log on to my NordVPN account. So I log on to NordVPN. And here I have to make sure that I'm on that NordVPN tab, okay? The first one at the top. And then scroll down. Here I need that access token. So I click get access token, and it's for Linux, as you can see, that little penguin, get access token. And you need to verify your email again. You will get a code shortly after clicking that button. You just type that code, and you can see that I had one already. I can't remember what it was, so I can generate new token. And if it's your first token, then it will be simply here, generate new token. So I click that. You can set the expiration date. Doesn't really matter, I will use it immediately. So generate token. And this is my token. I have to copy it. So I click that. And also here, copy and close will work either way. But that's not the WireGuard token, okay? This is the access token I need to retrieve the WireGuard token, if that makes sense. So I click the terminal now. I will open the terminal. And in my terminal, I have to make sure that I have curl, C-U-R-L, utility. I press enter. I can see I've got help and manual, so yeah, it is installed. If it wasn't installed, you have to install it first. And also JQ, like JSON query. So this is also something you will have to have installed for that process to work. So, but let me clear that. And now, once I have that all, this is just one command that I need. But this command is pretty lengthy though. So I will just copy paste it. I've got it ready. And I will include it. Let me make it even wider. I will include it in the comments and in the video description. This is the long command. As you can see, that's why we need curl command. And we also need jQuery. And the other thing we have to change is that access token. This is what you have to remove and paste your actual access token you've just received from NordVPN, right? So I will paste it here. So that's what my full command looks like. It's very long. I press enter, and now what I have here is my WireGuard key, private key. And this is something you can use in Gluetun VPN container, on your router configuration, etc. in many places wherever you want NordVPN WireGuard to be configured. But what you might also need for that router or Gluetun VPN container configuration is the NordVPN server config. And for that, there is another command you can run. It's even longer than previous one. It's this. I copy-paste it again. It's very, very long, as you can see, but we don't need the API key here. We just run it as it is. And this is some info that combined with your WireGuard key, this is like a combination you might need to configure your router or Gluetun VPN, alright? And both of those commands will be included in the comments, as I said, so don't worry about it, just copy-paste from there. That's it for today, I hope that makes sense, and don't forget to join our community at automationavenue.com, where you can learn more about Linux, about AWS Cloud, Python programming, etc. Yes, so hope to see you there as well. Thank you, Marek.